Well, aloha there. This is Joe Jurak coming to you from Maui, Hawaii. How are you today? Early morning sunrise coming up. Beautiful day. Can't beat the weather. I want to ask you, have you got your business cards yet? So often than not, I tell people it's one of the cheapest but most effective ways to advertise your real estate business. Do you have them? And can I also ask, how many of you passed out last year? How many of you passed out this year? So often people have them, but they're reluctant to pass them out or carry them with them. I can't tell you how many times I'm out with a group of people, we meet a realtor and they say, oh, I don't have my cards with me, or I only brought one card with me. Really? Come on, you should be carrying at least 40 or 50 with you. They sell these little things that you can put cards in, and you should carry that with you every single day. If you don't want to carry it in a card holder, put them in your purse, put them in your wallet, carry an extra box in your car. Yeah, an extra box. Do you know, as I travel the country, you can get business cards everywhere. Here I happen to be in Hawaii, and people often tell me, well, everything's more money here in Hawaii or in Alaska, which it can be. But you got to know where to shop, right? In Hawaii, they call it being kama'aina, right? And I was in Office Max the other day, and they had 500 color cards here in Hawaii, actually in Maui at Office Max, for $9.99. Yeah, $9.99 for 500 color cards. So even here in Hawaii, you can get them cheap. So there should be no excuses. I want each of you to try to pass out 100 cards a week. If you did that, that would be over 5,000 cards in a year. If you pass out over 5,000 cards in a year, people are going to know you're a real estate investor. And part of it is making your network larger, making your network more productive, and interacting with people. Don't be afraid to give out a card, and not just one card, but usually 3 to 5 cards. Have people help you pass them out with you, and that'll get you calls in return. So get out there, order your cards, make it happen. Believe and achieve. Take care now. Bye-bye.